Halloween isn't just a holiday, it's a season of atmosphere, mystery, and imagination. And where better to set the stage than right outside your front door? From spooky displays to welcoming fall scenes, outdoor decorations transform your home into a place of magic and fun. We'll look at three simple approaches: creating bold focal points, layering elements for depth and story, and adding finishing details that complete the atmosphere. Together, these ideas will help turn your outdoors into a space that feels alive with the energy of Halloween. Every great outdoor setup begins with a focal point. This is the centerpiece that instantly draws attention and sets the tone for everything else. It doesn't have to be complicated. It simply needs to capture the feeling you want your space to reflect. Once your focal point is in place, the rest of your display naturally builds around it. It becomes the anchor, making the whole space feel intentional and connected. What kind of outdoor Halloween atmosphere do you enjoy most? Something mysterious, something playful, or something warmly inviting? Share your favorite style in the comments. After setting the focal point, the next step is layering. Layers create depth and make your decor feel immersive. By mixing different scales, textures, and placements, your outdoor space starts to tell a story instead of just showing individual pieces. This approach builds movement and flow. As people approach, their eyes travel from one detail to another, discovering new things along the way. That's the magic of layered Halloween decor. It invites curiosity and sparks imagination. If these Halloween outdoor decoration ideas inspired you, make sure to like this video and share it with friends who love transforming their yards for spooky season. Finally, the details bring everything together. Small accents add charm, personality, and that last touch of atmosphere. These finishing layers don't need to be big. They simply create harmony and make the whole design feel polished. These little choices are what guests notice most, even if they don't realize it. They create the feeling that your outdoor setup is complete and thoughtfully designed. For more creative and budget-friendly Halloween decorating inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more spooky home ideas. And just like that, your outdoors is ready for Halloween. With a strong focal point, layered atmosphere, and thoughtful finishing touches, you've created a space that feels alive with seasonal magic. Outdoor decor is more than design. It's about inviting people into an experience. May your Halloween nights be filled with wonder, mystery, and joy. Here's to creating outdoor spaces that capture the spirit of the season and leave lasting memories.